it is what it is. It's your girl, Miss Monroe, and I'm dropping nothing but bangers. Now, before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get into this video. So, as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be trying an Amazon wig. So, this is the packaging it came from. This wig, I believe, was $120. It's a 99J wig, so it's burgundy, and it is a lace front, so that's a 13x4 frontal in the front of it. So, I got this wig in 22 inches. This will look like in the packaging. It also came very fast. I ordered it on Saturday and I got it on Monday, even though Monday was a holiday, so it is fast shipping. But this is what the wig looks like. This is a lot of color. I don't ever use colors, so this is gonna be different for me. But this is the wig. It's pre-plucked, I think. I don't know. Let me see. So this is the inside. It got the little comby combs and the little straps to make it tighter. And then it's a free part, so you can part it however you want to part it. On the thing it said it's pre-plucked, but I don't see no pre-plucked at all. Actually, maybe. I don't know. I can't really tell. I'm not a hairdresser. But this is what the wig looks like. We're going to try this and see what it's like. See if it's good quality, and basically see what's the outcome. This is me for Maya. She's going to be doing my hair for today's video because heaven knows I don't know how to do hair. But as you see, I got me my big ponytail in. So she's going to be doing my hair in this video, and if you're in Philly and need to get your hair done, I'll put her at below. It's at Maya Creations. I think it's 2 underscores. But I want to put her link there so you guys can get your hair done, period. The packaging also came with this wig cap in it, so you can use that if you use wig caps for your lace fronts.
You gotta be the baddest on the block. Gotta be the type to tie it up, stop the clock. Focus on your shot, I need to line it up to start the running back. Hold on to the backboard. Let me beat it up a minute. Sure. Let me beat it up a minute. To start the running back. Hold on to the backboard. Let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. Let me beat it up a minute. To start the running back. Hold on to the backboard. Let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. I want you back, want me close, all in one shot. I want you back, want me close, all in one shot. You gotta be the baddest on the block. Gotta be the type to tie it up, stop the clock. Focus on your shot, I need to line it up to start the running back. Hold on to the backboard. Let me beat it up a minute. What you about to do? Sure. Let me beat it up a minute. To start the running back. Hold on to the backboard. Let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. Let me beat it up a minute. To start the running back. Hold on to that. Let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. I want you back, want me close, all in one shot. want you back, want me go all in one shot. Gotta be the baddest on the block. Gotta be the type to tie it up, stop the clock. Focus on your shot, might need to line it up to shark the running back. To the back, but let me beat it up a minute. Girl, what you about to do? Shit. Let me beat it up a minute. To shark the running back. To the back, but let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. Let me beat it up a minute. To shark the running back. To that. Let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. I want you back, want me go all in one shot. I want you back, want me go all in one shot. I want you back, want me close. What is it? Focus on your shot. If you tell me one night, I need to get something to do. I need you back, chasing the shot. You want me close, can't let me go. I'm better from the top, I gotta reach into your door. Let's hit them off, fuck the watch, make a shot. I switch up, I got a shot in the back. That's what you miss, running back. I've been waiting on the fourth, ready for the side. Dropping on some tight for it. Let the rest in the back. All in one shot, you tell me how I'm not going with a bad boy. Let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. I want you back, want me go all in one shot. I want you back, want me go all in one shot. Gotta be the baddest on the block. Gotta be the type to tie it up, stop the clock. Focus on your shot, might need to line it up to shark the running back. To the back, but let me beat it up a minute. Girl, what you about to do? Shit. Let me beat it up a minute. To shark the running back. To the back, but let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. Let me beat it up a minute. To shark the running back. To that. Let me beat it up a minute. Push it fast and see the finish. I want you back, want me go all in one shot. I want you back, want me go all in one shot. I want you back, want me close. What is it? Focus on your shot. If you tell me one night, I need to get something to do. I need you back, chasing the shot. You want me close, can't let me go. I'm better from the top, I gotta reach into your door. Let's hit them off, fuck the watch, make a shot. I switch up, I got a shot in the back. That's what you miss, running back. I've been waiting on the fourth, ready for the side. Dropping on some tight for it. Let the rest in the back. All in one shot, you tell me how I'm not going with a bad boy.
So this is the final product. It's cute. I like the color. Just cute. How was it to work with?
It was easy.
It was easy?
The hair is soft.
Okay, so it's good. Hopefully it stays soft and it don't get crunchy. But yeah, it was soft when I like felt it and stuff before you even put it on. So it's good. Yes. So I'm going to put the link to this wig in the description below if you want to purchase this wig. But this is, I bought 20 inches, but they gave me 22 inches, so it's a little bit longer. But this is really, really pretty, and it's very easy to work with as well. So yes, thank you guys for tuning in to my channel today. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah!